Mullica Hill, New Jersey. A strange guest appears at someone's door.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Bluffton, South Carolina. A man is seen stealing a generator with his accomplice. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. A woman from down the street is seen trespassing on a neighbor's property.
Hey, get out of my backyard. Avocados.
Can you tell if it's a guy or girl?
Don't come back. Don't come back. I'll call the cops.
Rago Park, New York. Another package thief. Jamaica, New York. Strange guy. Hollywood, Florida. This woman is quick. Pueblo, Colorado. New York, New York. Another package thief in the making. If you enjoyed today's episode of Doorbell Updates, please like, subscribe, and comment for more content coming weekly. Again, I thank you.